Welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel with Shane and Micah. We're here today to show you our 1992 GMC Sierra 1500. It's in burgundy with the burgundy interior. It's a solid southern truck. Red metallic paint. It's got a short bed with a tonneau cover, bucket seats and console. As you can see there, it has a 5-speed manual transmission. It's fuel injected. Has a new AC compressor, a Beltec suspension. Zoom in on these 20-inch Riddler wheels. This is a power window, power steering, power brakes, power locks, cruise control, tilt steering truck. So that's basically what I'm telling you. It had everything you could get. It's going to open for us or not. Well, ignore that part of the video. We'll get back to figuring out why that don't open. The truck is clean. It's got 140,000 miles on the odometer. Stick your camera in there real quick. Listen, they got a dash pad on there. I don't know if the dash pad is to hide damage or not. I would say probably. So you might want to leave that on there. All right, we're here to do a test drive on our 92 GMC Sierra with a 5-speed manual. We got the air conditioning going. It's blowing ice cold. Throttle response is a little touchy on this, so don't mind me. It's the first time I'm doing it. You got a good RPM gauge. You got a good speedometer. Oil, tack, gas, battery, and temperature gauge all work. So we got cold air, all the gauges work. This is where we find out that we have a non-functioning horn. So we'll have to adjust that. How many speeds this thing got? Is it a 5-speed? It is a 5-speed. I guess I said that in the video. I just went to 5th gear. No wonder I couldn't. Probably got 4 or 5 of these OBS trucks there in the shop now. So if this isn't the right OBS truck, I got more. Let's run through the gears real quick. Yeah, the shifting feels real good, the pattern feels good, the clutch feels good. Steering feels good, there's no play, no shimmying. Alright, we'll turn around, put her on a lift. Come by and check it out.